Dear friends, recently one of my friends from USA visited me. He was accompanied with an English friend and his wife. While we were talking, I was in a dilemma. The main problem is this: I cannot speak properly in English. The main reason is this: for a long span of time, I was in the midst of villagers. I didn't get enough chance to speak in English. My people, they are in effort to meet both ends. In such a situation, and their language, the majority of them are illiterate. I am working in the midst of them, and there is no realm for English. While on speaking with these English friends, I spoke to them several things, several matters we discussed. But they didn't understand anything because I am speaking Manglish. Accent may not be correct, grammar may not be correct. There may be so many problems. They didn't understand it properly. I knew it. While on a glance, I too understood that they also didn't understand me because my language is not American English. So they cannot follow me. While this discussion was going on, I became upset, and during this occasion, I just walked towards the window, and while on looking through it, I noticed a wonderful thing. That's nothing more than this: children of this Englishman. He is playing with the LKG students of the nursery school there. There is no language. These poor village children, these poor little village children, they do not know English at all. These Americans, they do not know Malayalam. Above all, there is a language of love, a language of happiness, a language of mirth. All this emerges in that ground. I noticed one thing: Jesus is there. These children, they are speaking the language of heaven. They are speaking the language of heaven. Jesus also spoke the language of heaven. That's why he took the companionship with children, because the language of heaven will be propagated through children. Children are the masters. Dear friends, let us go into the words of Jesus. Let the little children come to me, and do not stop them, for it is to such as them as this that the kingdom of heaven belongs. Let the little children come to me, and do not stop them, for it is to such as this that the kingdom of heaven belongs. When we become elder persons, during that time onwards, we begin to think on egoistic realm. American has an American sky, Arabian has an Arabian sky, Indian has an Indian sky. Each and everyone creates their own sky. These skies will not emerge or merge into one. We cannot see one sky. I have a sky, you have a sky, but we do not have a sky. So, in this situation, let us turn our eyes towards children. They are speaking the language of heaven. There is no hatred, there is no bewilderedness, there is no place for arrogance. They are loving. That loving approach is the heaven's language. Let us raise our hands to Jesus and pray to Him. Jesus, bless us to become children. Thank you in Jesus.